In this video, I'll show you how to turn on a feature that is available for the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, where you can use noise cancellation on only one earbud. So you can have the other one sitting in its case and use just one of them, and you'll still have the benefit of noise cancellation. To do so, all you need to do is to take your phone, your iPhone here, go into your settings, make sure that the case, by the way, the lid of the case is on the on position, is open like this. And then you should see your AirPods Pro right here on the top settings. If you don't see it, no problem, just go into Bluetooth, and in this list you should see your AirPods Pro. Tap on the eye icon right over here, tap once, and you will have access to the same menu. Then scroll down until you see accessibility right over here. Tap once. Then go down until you see noise control, noise cancellation with one AirPod. Just enable it by tapping the small toggle over here. And you're done. Now you can exit this menu and, just use your AirPods Pro the way you want. And now even if you just use one, you'll have the same good noise cancellation you're used to when you're wearing both of them. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like down below, and why not even leave a comment. See you in the next one.